is another table like this. Here this is the table, right? And there is a large difference. This is very high and this is very low. So the ball will be move, otherwise the ball will flow very fastly, and the flow of the ball, otherwise flow of charge, is called current. So in these two cases, which one has more current? This second one has more current, because there is large flow. Here is current, but it is comparatively very low, right? Speed is very low. So the large current is produced in the second condition and small current is produced in the first condition. Why there is large current in second condition? Because there is a large difference is here. So we can conclude that where there is a difference, and that difference is called a potential difference. Where there is a potential difference is large, there should be a large current is produced, right? So potential difference and electric current are directly proportional to each other, right? Directly proportional to each other. That means whenever electric current is produced, otherwise whenever potential difference is increases, when potential difference increases, electric current also increases, right? So we are going to the next topic. Before going to the next topic, I would like to tell you that direction of current in a circuit. When we are talking about a circuit, there should be a battery for flowing of charges. Through a conductor, there are electrons. Electrons are flowing through a conductor from negative terminal to positive terminal, right? So this type of charges, so this type of flowing is called electronic current. In another way, we can say that electronic current is flowing from negative terminal of the battery to the positive terminal, and the conventional current is flowing from positive to negative terminal, right? In this chapter, we will simply talk about conventional current whenever we are going to talk about the direction of current. So in a circuit, what is circuit? Circuit means the connection. Circuit is a path. It's a path which is made through battery, and different symbolic representation is there. I will talk to you. Look at the picture. Components of circuits. There are some symbols for making circuits. Electric cell का symbol ये होगा. This is the positive terminal and this is the negative terminal. Battery का symbol ये है. This is the positive. Large line is the bigger line is positive terminal and the small line is the negative terminal representation. And this the switch, closed switch. This is a joint. This is crossing. Electric bulb का symbol है. Resistance. This is rheostat, otherwise variable resistor. Ammeter, voltmeter, and galvanometer. These are the symbols, right? Now let's have a look. What is electric circuit diagram? Electric circuits. This is electric circuit diagram. Electric circuit diagram is a closed path. The flow of electric current. Electric current का flow का एक closed path है. This is the closed path. In this path, this is a bulb. This is the battery. This is a key. And in this figure, the key is open. When the key is open, the key is not on. So the circuit is open. Whenever circuit is open, there is no electric current is passing. Conventional current is flowing from positive terminal to the negative terminal. Here it is marked like this: positive terminal to negative terminal. The key is on. Otherwise, switch is on. Closed switch. Closed switch means the circuit is closed. Then there is a flow of current, flow of charges, right? Now, in the last topic, we were talking about the relation between electric current and potential difference. What is the relation between electric current and potential difference? In this category, we talked about the relation. Whenever there is a difference, potential difference increases, electric current also increases. In the same way, there is a law. What is the law? The law is called the Ohm's law. This is very important, Ohm's law. According to Ohm's law, at a constant temperature, the current flowing through the conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference across the ends of the conductor. That means potential difference V is directly proportional to electric current, right? Both are directly proportional to each other. So potential difference and electric current are directly proportional. When potential difference increases, electric current also increases. In another way we can write as V is equal to IR. Here it is proportionality symbol, here it is equal symbol. So R is the new member, right? New character, new element. What is R? R is a constant called resistance. This is the new term, resistance. So according to Ohm's law, V is equal to IR, where R is a constant called resistance. Later we will talk about what is resistance and details of resistance. Before that, going to the VI graph, VI characteristic, right? What is VI graph? We can plot a graph across potential difference and electric current, potential difference across x-axis and current across y-axis, and both are proportional to each other. Therefore, the graph should be a straight line. This is the VI characteristic, right? Whenever we can make a slope from the graph. When we are making a slope from this graph, we will get a resistance. Okay. From the above discussion, we have V is equal to IR from Ohm's law. From Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. Therefore, R is equal to V upon I. R is equal to V upon I from this formula, right? R for resistance, right? Resistance is equal to potential difference divided by electric current. So, SI unit of resistance is Ohm. The symbol is written like this. This is the symbol of Ohm, right? Ohm is the SI unit of resistance. 1 ohm is equal to, what is the SI, how should you get the SI unit? 1 ohm is equal to 1 volt by 1 ampere. How? Potential difference by electric current. What is the SI unit of potential difference? Volt. What is the SI unit of electric current? Ampere. Therefore, 1 ohm is equal to 1 volt by 1 ampere, right? Actually, what is resistance? What is resistance? Resistance is something which is stopping the flow of anything, which is stop the flow of anything. For example, let me tell you, when bus or car and some vehicles are traveling through passing through the road, then there are some speed breakers are there on the road, and these speed breakers are resistors, because speed breaker stop the flow of the bus, right? So the bus has some resistance on the road, and the speed breaker is called a resistor, right? So something which is opposing, otherwise stopping the flow of anything, that substance is called a resistor, and due to the resistor there is a resistance is produced, and the resistance is representing by the letter R. SI unit is Ohm, right?